Watch closely. This man doesn't just carry 1 or 2 buckets of water. He hauls over a dozen at a time. He carefully straps them down with belts, loading bucket after bucket onto his motorcycle until it's completely packed. What's even more impressive, he still manages to leave just enough space to sit and ride off. Seriously, over 90% of people couldn't pull this off. You've got to admit, his tying skills are on another level. I've never seen anyone secure so many water buckets so neatly on a motorbike, but it does make me wonder, if he's delivering this much water, wouldn't a tricycle be easier?